Holy smokes, look how big they are.
Holy moly. Okay guys, I'm not too sure about going down that way. Look at that. What do you think? Looks too shallow, eh?
Up to you. Your call.
No, I don't want to chance it.
Looks getting pretty skinny.
Yep. Yeah, it looks pretty skinny there.
Yeah, really.
But compromise our mechanics work there. Holy crap, all over, right?
Yeah.
Are you recording? I'm saying
Yeah.
holy crap, a lot.
What about that channel?
Little lad, eh?
Wow, look how many there are.
Most of them are right here. Look at that.
I think there's lots, but I don't think there's